Sideways backflip.
Watch the front flip. The front flip is insane. It's so high.
Here comes Endo. Rod SFO. No for the K-Can. Don't forget to check out the SF Bike Expo November 12th and 13th. We'll be having a professional bike contest. Tons of ramps and tons of tricks, just like you're seeing today, but way bigger. Guys are going to be fighting for $1,000 for first place. It's going to be big. Don't miss it. Here comes Brian Sterling.
Come on!
360X up. Brian's got one last trick for you at the end of this show. Make some noise. It's going to be the biggest trick he did all day. Ty Calais, here he comes. Ty Calais trying to go a backflip X up. He's going to get that one on his next run. He's got one last trick for you. There's Parker. Last trick. Stand on the back pegs, holding on to the front pegs. Doing a flatland tabletop. I don't know where he's going. You guys want to see Parker pull that trick right there?
Yeah, Parker! Come on in!
Andrew Lang, he's got one last trick for you. You get loud for Andrew, and he's going to try to pull it.
The front flip? Impossible!
Here comes. Oh, they're fighting to see who gets the last trick first. Here comes Joseph Parra's last trick. Everybody make some noise for Joseph. Woo! Double-handed bar spin. 360 out of Endo. Here's Brian's last trick. Oh, I think Brian's got one more. I think Brian's got one more for you. That wasn't what he wanted to get. Here's Ty Calais on his last trick. Everybody get loud. From Ty. Here comes Endo on his last trick. Everybody get loud. Double time rope, no-hander, the one-hander to heartbeat fast. Almost didn't grab his bars right there. Here's Brian, make some noise. Oh, Brian's trying to get that one, but he's getting a little tired.
Front flip!
Brian shrugging his shoulders, says, I don't know about one more. Here comes Andrew Lang. Backflip. Andrew Lang's got one more for you. He's got one more. These guys don't want to take their last one. They keep wanting to get that last one. I think we're going to let Endo get one last trick. Brian's going to get one last trick. Ty's going to get one if he wants. And then Andrew's going to shut the show down. Brian trying to get that 360 turn down. We're going to let him wait till next show so he don't hurt himself. Just a little bit of a rest. Takes a breather. You want to see Brian pull that 360 tail, you got to come out to the 3 o'clock show, and he's going to do that trick right there. We got Zach Howerton in the house. He's got a broken foot. He's over there with the red shirt. Zach Howerton, Concord, California, another one of our pros that rides on our team. We also got Gerardo Reyes over there with the messed up knee.
I see the pattern here.
Make some noise for Ty Calais' last trick. Endo is going to get his last trick first. Everybody get loud for Endo. Ride SFO. Specialized Bikes. Backflip. Backflip exit. You guys want to see the front flip? You guys want to see the front flip? You guys better get loud. On that one. Come on, keep it up, keep it up. Come on, last trick, Andrew Lang. Everybody get crazy. Here they go. Ty Calais, followed by Omar Romero. We got a little bike dodge going on there. Ty trying to seal the shine and get the front flip in. I guess we're going to have a front flip off to see who lands it first. Here comes Andrew Lang. That was awesome. What do you guys guys think about the front flip? You guys want to see one more?
Yeah!
Time for A, David Red Clothing. Front flip's Emmanuel the Butt Buster. You got one more or are you done? Tying the legs into his wrist is hurting, he's done. You guys sign in who you want. You want both sides high if you want. You guys come back at 3 o'clock. Brian's going to land that 360 and Ty's going to land that front flip.
Jesus Christ.
And Andrew's going to land that back flip whip right there.
Wow.
3 o'clock.